Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. So you're watching Chikenum, and if this is your first time coming to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, feel free to share it and comment. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this hair. It is easy, time saving, and also very cheap because you can make it in your home, for school, for class, for outing or anywhere. So please relax and watch to the end. Thank you. So guys, I'll first comb my hair. So after combing, share it into two parts just like this. Then I'm going to comb the back part very neatly, then tie it and work on the front parts. So to start this front part, I'll carefully cut and tie bit by bit like this. So guys, I'm done with the cutting and tying. Now I'm going to twist, cross and tie each of the hair just like this. So for the sides, I'll only twist then mat instead of tying. So hold together like this, then tie well. I'll untie the back, comb well, then pack and tie together with the fronts. Now comb well, open up the middle, then make a donut like this. And And yes, I'm done. Now I'll use my 3-edge brush and comb and my edge control gel to style the edge of my hair. So guys, I'm done making my hair. It is really easy. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share my video and feel free to comment. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.